Welcome again to the programming screencast of anagrams. In this particular programming screencast, I'll be discussing another way to figure out whether two strings are anagrams or not. In the previous programming screencast, we have already discussed a way to figure out whether two strings are anagrams or not. In this particular programming screencast, I'll be discussing another way. This particular method requires the use of sorted function. So what is sorted function? Sorted function basically sorts any sequence list, for example list, and returns the sorted list. So I'll show you how can you use the sorted function. For example, I have a list here named x of integer values, and the values present in this are not sorted. For example, they are 4, 3, 1, 2. Now if I write print sorted of x, see, it printed the sorted values, and it printed the sorted values in ascending order. So sorted function basically returns the sorted values in ascending order. I repeat, sorted function by default sorts the values present in a list in ascending order. So if I want to sort the list in descending order, what should I do? Well, we have a way here. How can you do that? For example, we have sorted x, and this will pass another parameter named reverse, and in this I'll write true. So let us check whether it works or not. Yes, it works. So if I write reverse is equal to true, then it will sort the values in descending order. So I repeat, sorted function sorts the value in ascending order, and if I write reverse is equal to true, it will sort the values in descending order. This is how you can use the sorted function. You can also use the sorted function on different data types. For example, we can use the sorted function on character values too. For example, I have x as the list of characters, as Q, for example, W, E, R, T and Y. Now if I write print sorted of x, press enter. So as you see, it has sorted the values in alphabetical order. So first of all we have E, then Q, then R, T, W and Y. So if we have list of characters, then sorted function sorts the characters in alphabetical order, and we can also use a string in this sorted function. Let us find out how can you use that. For example, x is a string here, and we have Python. X is a string which has the value Python here, and if I write again print sorted of x, then what should it print? Yes, it has sorted the characters of Python in alphabetical order. First of all is H, then N, then O, P, T and Y. So now you see, you can use an integer list, you can use a character list, and you can also use a string and use it in sorted function to sort the values present in the particular list or string. And I hope that you're already aware of dictionaries. We can also use sorted to sort the dictionary. So how can you do that? I'll take a dictionary here. I'll again name it as x. So I'll write, for example, Q. Q is a key here and 1 is the value. Then I'll take W. W is the key here and 2 is the value. And then I have E here, for example, and its value is 3. And let's take one more value. For example, I'll just write 4 here, and then I'll take T here. Its value is 0. So we have invalid syntax here. Let us find out where is the problem. So the problem is we didn't use the curly braces. Yes, in dictionaries we should use the curly braces, and in list we use the rectangular braces. So we should use the curly braces here. And then if I write print sorted of x, see, it has sorted the values in alphabetical order again. First of all, we have E, then Q, then T and W. So it is sorting the dictionary values on the basis of keys. Yes, it is sorting the dictionary values on the basis of keys. Please note this fact. Now I have another example here. For example, I have a list of strings here. For example, I have CC, CC, BB, then A, then DTD, and I want to sort this list on the basis of length of this particular string. Yes, I want to sort this list on the basis of length of particular list. So the output should be first of all, since A is the string with the smallest length, so first of all A should be printed, then BB should be printed, then DDD should be printed, then CC should be printed. So how can you do that? This is fairly easy. You just need to write print sorted capital L and the key should be length. You just write length here and I press enter here. So I have the desired output. I sorted this list of string on the basis of length of the particular string. So first of all, I have A here, then BB, then DDD, then CC. So this is how you can sort this on the basis of length of the particular string. So I hope now sorted function is clear to you guys. Now I'll use this sorted function in our program to figure out whether two strings are anagrams or not. So first of all, we should take two strings. I'll take them str1 and str2. I'll just write input, enter the first string, then I should write str2 is equal to input, enter the second string, now you can figure out what purpose would sorted function would serve, what purpose would sorted function serve here. So we can sort these two lists str1 and str2, and if the sorted version of these two lists is same, if the sorted version of these two lists is same, then we can say that str1 and str2 are anagrams, otherwise they are not. So what should I write here? If sorted of str1 is equal to sorted of str2, then I should print these are anagrams, else I should print these are not anagrams. So let us run this program. I'll just save it as anagram2.py. Enter the first string, I'll enter listen. Enter the second string, I'll enter silent. These are anagrams. So our output is correct. If I run it again, enter the first string, hello. Enter the second string, THYUI, any random string. These are not anagram. So our output is correct. So I'll also show you whether the sorted version of these two lists are same. So I'll just print sorted str1 and then print sorted str2. So now let us try to run this again. So I'll take another anagram example. I'll take tar, I'll take rat. I typed it as RAY. So these are not anagrams. But you see, the sorted versions are not even same. First of all, it is ART, then it is ARY. Now let us check on the list that are anagrams. So I'll write rat, I'll write tar. So as you can see, the sorted version of these two lists are same. So first of all, it is ART for rat, and for tar it is ART. So the sorted version of these two lists is same. That's why these are anagrams. And we can also take the examples of two lists that are not anagrams. So I'll just write another list. For example, how and wow. How and wow, these are not anagrams, since the sorted version of these two lists is not same. So you can now figure out how to check whether two strings are anagrams or not, and I'll just go through the program again. First of all, you need to input two strings. That is fairly simple. And then you need to check whether the sorted version of these two lists are same. If they are same, then these are anagrams. If they are not same, these are not anagrams. So this program of anagrams was fairly easy. You just need to apply a function and there you are, you get the answer. So we have discussed two ways to figure out whether two strings are anagrams or not. There are, I think, many other ways through which you can figure out. I like you to discuss on discussion forum and bring out some more nice ideas to check whether two strings are anagrams or not. I hope this programming screencast was useful to you guys. If you have any problem, any doubt, please refer the discussion forum. We are there to help you. Thank you.